Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and I'll show you does all the box accessories with the watch device comes. So first we got here the paper box, and inside of this paper box we got this eject tool and like the quick start guide and a warranty cards here. And also we got the USB-C cable, the new one, the white one, and the supercharger brick, the original Huawei charger brick with all of the specs here, so you can check it. And that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.